Welcome to the channel. Today I'm over at my brother's garage again, like most of my videos are. This is where we do our work. So, if you've seen a couple videos back, my brother got a new bike. He got a 2022 Honda Goldwing, right? Not the touring version, just the regular bagger. But he's going to be converting it over to a touring one. He's going to get the rear trunk and the rear back seat, trunk and everything for it. Because he really wanted this color, and it was hard to get a Goldwing. So, yeah. So if he gets this and converts it over, it'll look sweet, because I kind of like the multiple colors on his bike. But anyway, we're over here, and we're going to see. He's going to start adding accessories to it already. So we'll see what he's got today. He's got a bunch of parts and stuff. So we'll see what he's going to put on today, and we'll go from there. All right, let's see what he's got here. He has something from Goldstrike, Division of Zero. All right. What is this, a license plate cover?
Yes.
License plate cover that he's going to put his, right there, I guess. You ordered it from WINGSTUFF, right?
WINGSTUFF, yep.
WINGSTUFF.com? Or,
Yes.
yeah,
Yep.
WINGSTUFF.com.
We'll put a link in there.
Yeah, I'll put a link in the description. And he'll open it up and install it so he can put his license plate on there. Since he got the bike from Vermont, he had to go today and get his get it registered and of course pay the taxes on it. And then all right.
Oh, okay.
Plastic.
Yeah, see? Look at all those fucking nice instructions.
Bolts.
You can say it looks, some of the instructions are pretty good for Goldstrike.
Instructions. Comes with a nice set of instructions from Goldstrike. Color pictures. Yeah, pretty good. All right. Let's go. How hard is it? This comes with holes here and there, and you just bolt and nut those to that there. And then on the bottom of this, if you can see, there's a threaded nut, threaded hole there, and then the cover just flops over, and then you bolt that right through.
Yep.
So,
Until he breaks it.
all right. And of course, he probably doesn't know what size he needs.
Nope. Nope, I don't. For now, I figured I'd just get it there.
7/16.
Okay. Okay, well, that's
Oh, there's your one mistake. You put an American on metric. So why do they do that? Why do companies do that? All right, you got a metric bike, and the parts you put on, the accessories that you buy will have American size nuts and bolts on it. Now, if you have an American bike, in the accessories you buy, they put metric bolts and stuff on it. What the hell is the deal?
good Lord.
What? Well, nobody wanted to look at your big fat head, the back of it. They wanted to see you put this on.
Okay, well, that's going to be.
What?
Oh, God, that is going to be super fun.
Oh my God, stop your whining. Is that the way it goes? Or do you put the bolts on the other way?
I looked. These go on the backside.
Yeah? Okay. All right. You put the bolts through, and then the washer and the acorn nut on the backside.
I need the extension.
All right. 7/16. You'll probably, socket. Probably need a little extension in there, 1/4 inch ratchet, and just tighten it up.
There's a bar that goes across that holds that plastic out.
He says it's kind of a pain in the ass because behind there,
Right here,
there's a bar.
That keeps this pushed out.
So it's a little bit in your way, so.
Yep. Yep.
All right, so just tighten those up and then slightly bow your plate to set it in here.
These things bend really easy, so.
Yeah. The top of that has a little, the top of it has a little line that goes right there.
Yep.
And sits in there, indentation. Then you take a screw and it goes in the bottom where the threads are. And you just screw that in. Yeah, and then don't rattle. Nope.
Plus it has foam on it right here too.
Yep, so on both sides, on the flat part, on the back side, it's got foam pieces, and then on the cover plate right here, there's little foam pieces here, so it doesn't, so nothing will rattle. Okay, that's the license plate cover that my brother got from Goldstrike, from the Goldstrike license plate cover that he got from WINGSTUFF. So simple little, just a little, simple little thing to give a little something different to the bike instead of just putting your plate on there. So, all right, so that'll be it for today's video. So if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. Hit the bell so you're notified of new videos when they come out. Leave a comment below. What do you think? Looks pretty good. And give me a thumbs up. It helps with the analytics of the channel. And I'll see you next time. Thanks. Bye.